Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, we're gonna talk about Kirther investment. And shout out kay Miss Tofu kasi siya yung nag-request itong video na ito from TikTok. Sabi niya, have you heard sir about Kirther investment? Wanna know if it's legit? Thank you. Alright, Kirther investment. So, isa tong investment company. No? So, ito yung website nila. So personally for me, yung opinion ko, this looks like a good website, no? So maganda yung pagkakagawa, madali naman i-navigate, sobrang clear nung mga functions, and then pag nag-scroll down ka, makita mo, no? What we do, why choose us, and then accountability, ease of use, 24/7 support, as they claim, high security, and then fastest payments. And then meron itong isang weird na video galing sa YouTube na pwede niyong panoorin dito na hindi naman siya part ng team. Kasi usually, sa mga videos na ganito, isang top level na tao yung nagsasalita, no? Yun yung ginagawa normally. Lalo na sa mga ganitong like hindi naman kilala na company. Kasi syempre, di ba, paano mo pagkakatiwanan yung company if like parang nag-hire lang sila, no, ng kung sino man yung nagsasalita dito na parang nangi-engganyo ng mga tao na, to try them out. And then, ayun nga, wala siya sa sa top level management and wala siya dito sa meron kasi silang team dito about yan. Meet the team. Check out natin yan later. And yun, how you can invest, our simple investment process, blah, blah, blah. Tapos simple lang daw investing. And then ito na yung mga plans nila, So, real estate plan, oil and gas plan, gold plan, agriculture plan, and then forex and crypto trading plan. Ang isang red flag na agad dito is yung daily rate, no? So, ginagaranti nila kumbaga, na ito yung kikitain mo on the daily basis, which is not really realistic. Lalo na dito sa forex, crypto, and trading plan, no? Na ginagaranti nila daily, ang ibibigay nila sa inyo is 1.14% on the daily basis. So, sa ganitong market, that's not really viable and that's not sustainable. Alright, ngayon nandito tayo sa Scam Watcher. So, sabi, tanong dito is Kirther investment legit? So, sabi nila, Kirther investment is an unregulated investment company. The problem with unregulated investment companies is that they are not reliable and abuse the regulations. Make sure to stay away from this investment company as they are anonymous and that they can disappear anytime without notice. And then, ito naman, sa crypto, sa PH Investo. So, tinatanong niya, does anyone know about this investment? Mag-invest by Bitcoin and minimum is $200 US. They said that they will invest for you. Ang sistema, after a week, you can withdraw with the commission. Meron din commission pag nag-invest ng downline mo. So, may downline. So, it's multi-level. Then, tama itong sinabi ni Ishkala Fufu. General rule of thumb, if it has the word downline in its business setup or basically super fast return on capital, if it's too good to be true, just avoid it, no? And yeah, if it's too good to be true, yung mga returns na ginagaranti pa nga nila, tas ito daily pa, nag-guarantee din yung ibabalik nila sa'yo. Yun yung like interest na makukuha mo, on a daily basis. That is probably a scam. And then now back sa kanilang website, Kirther Investment, our team. Meet our awesome and expert team members. Expert nga ba sila? So, ang gaganda ng mga picture, So, si Said Gauss. Yun yung kanilang Chief Executive Officer. Tayo na, may pa dito. May, what do you call this? May sinasabi pa sila, a motivating leader who embodies our firm's culture with nearly 16 years of leadership roles at our firm. Wow! Ang tagal na nila, Ang tagal na nila dito sa business ni Said Gauss. Wow! Very impressive. Mark Frey, Chief Technology Officer. Nadine Mezer, Chief Marketing Officer. Charlotte Powell, Investment Manager. So, ang gaganda ng mga picture, Ang lilinaw, talagang professional na professional. Ito, mga naka-quote and tie pa. Then, nandito si Thu Dang, and then si Ivan Dernov, or Dernover, or kung ano man. And then si Restituto Estoye. Yan, Chief Software Officer, Customs Relation Manager, Treasury Finance Manager. Ang tanong, tunay nga ba itong mga taong ito? Well, the short answer is no. Lahat itong mga taong ito is gawa-gawa lang, and lahat, every single one of these photos are galing lang sa mga free websites, no? Like, hindi man lang sila bumili ng parang paid na photo or kung sino man top. Well, syempre kapag ginawa nila yun, parang kailangan ko pang inform na like yung photographer or yung artist na yun kumuha ng photo para sa nyo ito gagamitin. And then syempre, like, kumbaga parang magiging parang accessory pa yung person na yun, yung subject nila. Dito sa sa scam na ito, dito sa crime nila, no. So syempre pumili lang sila ng mga ng mga hindi masyadong gamitin, quote unquote, na mga stock photos. So when you're trying to spot a scam, syempre lagi niyo i-check yung website as I've previewed or as I've showed you earlier, no. So sinilip natin yung kanilang website, and then syempre kailangan yung i-recheck or i-double check, no, or like triple check, quadruple check yung team. Dapat alam nyo na totoo yung team, no, kung nag-exist ba talaga sila. So ito, sinearch ko si Syed Gao. So yes, lumabas na, no, may result naman, no. Andito yung picture niya, wow. And then andito sa sa team ng Kirther Investment, and then meron siyang LinkedIn account. However, yung LinkedIn account is walang picture, and then yung Kirther hindi mo maklik, and then yeah. CEO daw siya from April 2009 to present, 12 years na. Wow! Ang galing naman, 12 years na agad yung company nila. Scam lang naman ito, and I'm pretty sure na bago lang din ito. And then yun nga, sobrang fishy, no? Kasi kapag like, if you are the CEO of a thriving company, no, na 12 years na and 4 months na nag-exist, and you won't like last that long naman as a startup company kung hindi kayo kumikita or kung wala kayong mga investors, right? Bakit ganito yung profile ng LinkedIn, no? Ako nga, like, I'm just a 9 to 5 job employee, and then mas maayos pa yung LinkedIn profile ko kumpara dito sa CEO nitong Kirther Investments na ito. So dito, no, fishy na agad. And then, ito. So, ito, website to ng Panorama Coordinated Services. So, I'm not really sure kung ano ba yung ginagawa nila. But, merong testimony dito, no? Yung CEO. Di ba si Syed Gao yan, di ba? Dito, siya na si Joe. Na taga Longmont, Colorado. Bruh. And then, dito naman sa clinical posters, siya si Mark I or Mark 1. So, andito rin siya. Hindi natin pwede i-zoom ulit. Yan siya, di ba? Stock photo lang yung ginagamit nila. And then, nasa Amazon din siya. What the hell? So, this is just a stock photo, and si Syed Gaus doesn't exist. So, that confirms it. Itong Kirther investment na to is a scam. Please stay away from this one. Then, boom, di ba? From Syed Gaus, kung ano mong pangalan niya na gawa-gawa lang nila, naging si Robert Covert na siya, no? Na isang, what they call this, isang author dito sa Amazon na nagbebenta nito mga librong ito. And then next one naman, yung sunod natin na i-investigate or like i-cross-check is si Nadine Mezer, yung kanilang Chief Marketing Officer. So, madali lang naman i-cross-check, no, or like image reverse search lang using Google. So, kumaga ito, isi-save nyo lang to or isi-screenshot nyo yung photo para magawa yun. And then, save nyo, and then i-upload nyo sa Google, and then i-reverse search nyo yun, no? And then, makita nyo agad yung results. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, yan. So, sa figuran. So, ito casting ng Asian women and men 46 years old for publicity shooting. So, andito siya, no? Ginamit lang siya as like parang, ganito yung parang hinahanap nila. And I'm not sure if she's Asian, but I don't know. Siguro hindi lang ako marunong tumingin. And then ito, andito rin siya sa Keystone Master Studies. And then dito, medyo nabokya na agad sila. Kasi, or like, nahuli na agad. Kasi ito, nagbigay ng credits, no? Kasi yung Pexels, ginagamit ko rin yun for like stock photos. Kasi this is a free website na pwede kayong like gumamit, no, ng mga stock photos, and it's just for free. You can download it, you use it as long as magbigay ka ng credit, no. So ito, kinredit nila. Si Christina Morillo yung kumuha nitong photo na ito. And then, nung sinearch ko mismo sa Pexels, andito siya. Diba? So, confirmed. And then sa PDWare, andito rin siya. So, ginamit din itong photo na ito, itong stock photo na ito. And then, same thing naman dito sa 5 points eye care. So, andito rin siya. Alright, so next up is yung kanilang Chief Technology Officer. Tunay nga ba siyang tao? Mark Frey. Let's go. So, boom! Naging author na naman siya. So, ang galing naman. So, yung CEO nila, naging author din. Tapos, naging model din. Like, nung parang eye patch sa Amazon. Tapos, ito naman, yung Chief Technology Officer or whatever the position is, naging author din dito sa, sa Amazon. So, Matthew Ray Russell. So, actually, ito lang yung isa kong nakita for this guy. Hindi ko makita. Like, hindi ko cross-reference yung like ibang images kung saan to ginamit. So, kaya siguro nila ito ginamit kasi hindi masyado gamitin, no? Like, compared dun sa, dun sa isa, yung sa lady earlier. Next one is si Charlotte Powell, yung kanilang investment manager. Is she real? So, of course, the answer is no. So, andito siya, no? Ginamit din itong stock photo na ito sa Thrall Dental Care. Then, andito rin siya sa Find Ventures. So, yan. Sa fintech, sa financial tech. Then, you also have her here sa AirKit. And then, last one, nasa Durham startup siya. Ginamit din itong stock photo na ito. So, pagka kailangan nyo mag-Google reverse image search, so Google nyo lang yan, no? Google reverse image. Then, makita nyo ito, yung may image HP. So, click nyo lang yan. And then, yun, kailangan nyo ng URL nung mismong image. And then, or mag-upload kayo, no, ng image. So, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, kailangan nyo i-download yung picture like ng tao kapag mag-cross-check kayo, no? Kung if that person really exists. And kung nag-check out ba, no? Kung tama ba. Like yung LinkedIn profile nila, pwede nyo i-check. And kung nagmamatch ba yung photo, yung credentials, and then yung name nila, syempre. And then other info na pwede nyo i-cross-check. And then syempre, kailangan nyo rin i-check yung social media accounts sila. Like kung meron ba silang Facebook, meron silang Twitter, meron silang Instagram. So, ang dali na mag-cross-check ngayon, no? So, di ba ito, na-spot ko na agad na scam siya. Kasi like, who are these people? They don't even exist. And then, ipagkakatiwala mo yung pera mo dito sa mga taong ito? I don't think so. That's why sobrang important nung research, no, and nung due diligence. So, kailangan nyo talagang mag-research ng sarili nyo, no? So, do your own research palagi before buying any kind of stock and before like using any kind of like investing service. So, ang dami ng kasi talaga mga sikat, no? Like, for example, kung for starters, kung nandito sa Philippines, like, parang mas okay na you dip your toe sa mga Philippine stocks. So, first off, ang baba nung tax, di ba? So, yung mga babayaran mo na fees for like trading, like for example, nagbenta ka ng 1.1 million pesos worth of stocks na kumita ka na doon, no? Nasa 9.9k lang, almost 10k lang yung babayaran mo na fees and taxes. Kasi sales tax na yung binabayaran mo, SECP fee, and then like broker commission lang. So, yun lang yung binabayaran mo. Walang capital gains tax yun kasi nga, ini-incentivize nung law natin yung pag-i-invest, no, sa mga local stocks here in the Philippines, yung mga locally traded stocks. And then, kapag ka naman nag-hold ka ng mga dividend-paying stocks, syempre may chance din siya na magkaroon ng capital gains. Pero habang hinahawakan mo yun, no, 10% lang i-charge sa'yo na tax sa mga dividend payments na matatanggap mo. So, ang liit din, no, 10%. So, instead of like looking for the easy way how to invest, like learn lang, no? Kaya I'm really passionate about this, about sharing my experiences and like my journey to you guys, to everyone. Kasi ayokong like may mga ganito mangyari na, you know, ma-scam sila, ma-Ponzi scheme sila and all that. Kasi parang gusto lagi natin palagi is like, you know, get rich quick. Sino ba namang may ayaw? Ako personally, I want that as well. But I know na you have to play the long game to reach that goal. Like, yes, there are some instances na like, example na lang, di ba? Lotto. Kaya ang daming tumataya sa lotto kasi gusto natin, makuha na natin yung gusto natin ngayon. Like, ngayon din, no? Like, we don't really want to work that hard for it. Gusto natin mag-benefit na agad ngayon. And the reality of it, hindi talaga siya nangyayari all the time. So yun, just educate yourself and be careful sa mga ganitong investment company. And like kapag ka like kunyari inengganyo ka ng kaibigan mo, or like may nag-message sa'yo, or nakita mo post sa Facebook or post kung saan man, you have to cross-check it yourself. Kailangan mong i-fact check, no? Reliable ba itong company na ito? Reliable ba itong source na ito? Reliable ba itong taong ito? So, you have all the tools. Basta meron kang internet, kaya mo nang gawin yan lahat. And you have no excuse, no? Kasi kalimitan sinabi, hindi, ito sinabi ni ganyan, sinabi nito, ni-refer ni ganyan, ngayon, kasalanan niyo yun, hindi pangit yung ni-refer niya, kaya ako nawalan ng pera. Okay, huwag natin gawin yun, no? Don't blame other people for our own mistakes and for our own shortcomings. So pag may pagkukulang ka, like, that's on you. It's your fault. And kaya I adapt, no, yung thinking ni Gary V na everything is my fault. Everything is my fault. So if you do that, like, it's gonna be easier. Diba? It's gonna be easier to move on. It's gonna be easier to do the next thing. It's gonna be easier to solve problems. And it's like, all in all, it's gonna be, your life is gonna be easier. Trust me. You have to always take the blame. Even, sometimes, even if it's not your fault. Alright, medyo parang naging rant na yun. But anyway, I digress. So, pag gusto nyo mag-invest sa Philippine stocks, go for BPI Trade kung meron kang BPI bank account. You can go for BDO Nomura if meron kang BDO bank account. You can go for First Metro Sec kung meron kang Metro Bank na bank account. And then you can try Call Financial. And then you can try PhilStocks as well. Then if you wanna dip your toes sa mga US stocks, sa international stocks, sa mga US ETFs, go for eToro. I haven't tried GoTrade yet, but I've been hearing a lot about GoTrade, but I would not recommend GoTrade kasi nga hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. I wouldn't recommend anything na hindi ko pa na-experience or hindi ko pa nagagamit. I will not do that. Pero, ayun nga, isang option yun para sa inyo, but I will not recommend using it. And of course, that is not a knock or like anything against GoTrade. Ang sa akin lang, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. That's why I will never recommend it. And then, meron din mga cryptocurrencies sa eToro, pero maganda lang mabilin dun is Bitcoin kasi mababa yung kanilang spread, and then Ethereum. And then of course, if you want to dip your toes sa mga cryptocurrencies in general and sa Bitcoin and sa mga altcoins, you can go for Binance. And yun guys, safe lang tayo, no? And yeah, always remember, do your own research, due diligence. You will thank yourself, no, in the future or like moving forward kapag ginawa mo yun. Okay, so ang layo na nung napuntahan ng topic natin. So ito, pagka ito, ni-research ko, no, or like ginoogle reverse image search ko yung logo ng yung bagong logo ng Peso Smart PH. So yan, di ba? Kita nyo na agad. Oh, okay. Legit to. Yan, di ba? Ito pa yung Facebook ko, and then pagka-click nyo naman ito, lalabas dyan yung mga, what do you call this? Yung mga videos ko. And then, andito rin yung YouTube channel ko. And ito nga, nakita na agad. Kasi nilagay ko dito na parang host ako ng what do you call this? Ng Peso Smart PH podcast, and then sa YouTube channel. So lumalabas na rin yung mismong LinkedIn profile ko, Emmanuel Del Mundo. Same thing dun sa lumang logo ng Peso Smart PH. So ito, I'm not sure kung ba't nandito, and I'm not sure kung ba't napunta yung dot, but anyway. Pag nag-scroll down ka, makikita mo rito yung podcast ko kasi yun pa rin yung logo sa podcast, yung luma. Yan, puro podcast, and yun yung Anchor podcast din yan. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. Sana may natutunan kayo, and if umabot kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Help me grow the channel by smashing the like button. Sobrang nakakatulong yun sa algorithm ng YouTube. And if you're new, click mo na yung subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala kang ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Follow me on my social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I post there daily at emanpsph. And another way to support the channel is through the YouTube membership. Click nyo lang yung link dyan sa description sa baba to know more about it. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe and avoid these scams. I'll see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso Smart.